Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 in a base trim, I believe, and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you do have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then back down like so. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 126,214 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls. And to the left of the steering wheel, here you have your trailer brake controller and lighting controls with automatic lights. And can also cycle through information displayed here, such as a digital speedometer, trip information, fuel range, fuel economy, tire pressures, service information, trailer brake information, engine hours, and then settings for your little info screen here. But do also have your hazards right here. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then do also have OnStar information help. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. But then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, of course, but then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. And below that, your traction control shutoff and your cargo lights for your box. And here you have a compartment for storage, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and a 115-volt power outlet down here, if you can see that. Then you have your 4x4 shifter here on the floor, very convenient. And then you have your column shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of that. Do also have a second compartment above your glove box that can be locked for added security. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside and has 2 USBs, auxiliary, and another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. And then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.